Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the dollar CAD, we've been very sideways, but the trend is definitely still up. I don't see this as a Fibonacci bounce. I definitely do not see a break of structure, and I definitely do not see a lower high in an uptrend. So, for now, we are definitely still bullish. I still think there is a chance we may end up pushing up to one of these much higher Fibonacci retracement levels in this last push down before we make a bigger turn to the downside. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, very, very sideways market, but boy, it's starting to look like possibly it's going up from here, especially if we move our Fibonacci's to this low, which may be the more appropriate place to have it, because if we move it to there, we just got a really nice 78% Fibonacci bounce. This could be like either a WXY right here or just a traditional ABC. If it breaks this high right here with momentum, I think there's a good chance that we could actually be starting a pretty nice move to the upside, a pretty nice impulsive move to the upside, and hopefully head up to one of those much higher Fibonacci levels that I was showing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.